And smiles, everyone. It's Colleen. So today I have a Temu haul for you. It's a smaller haul, but I got some nice things. I'm quite happy with it. So there is a couple of craft items and some clothes in this one. Mostly fabrics, quite honestly. So I'm going to just jump right in and show you what I got. So the first thing I got was this top here. Love this green, and I love the feel of this top too. It is more of a cotton, this particular one, and it is long sleeved, and it is basically no two-tone or anything. It's just the green, which I love. It's like a tunic almost kind of top, but I love the detail on the sides of the 3 buttons here at the bottom. Like there's 3 buttons on each side. Thought it was wonderful detail, and I really like this. And this one was $16.47. So these are all Canadian prices. So if you're in America, of course they're going to be cheaper because our dollar isn't as strong as yours is right now. So this top here I got, and it is got the buttons, and it's a V top with the buttons here, and it is gray and slides into almost like if you painted it right, goes down the shirt into this pretty royal blue. And the sleeves do the same thing. So I thought this is going to be great for casual with jeans, is what I thought. Why I got it, because I think that would be very nice. And that was $16.47 also. So those were the same price. And then I finally got something for my husband instead of me, and it's such a beautiful shirt. Look at the colors in this shirt. It's just gorgeous. Yes, beautiful shirt. I think he'll really like it. I'm not sure if I will give it to him now, or perhaps I'll save it for an occasion. Christmas is coming. Oh my goodness, it's already September, and before we know it, it's going to be that. And but I don't want to rush it, because I love the fall. The weather in the fall is gorgeous here. So and it's a short sleeve, but he wears short or long all through the year. So I got that, and that was, what was that one? $19.37. But I have a tip for you guys while we're on this shirt. If you order something, and as long as you check your order, go into your details, and if it's before 30 days after you get your order, they have a button you can press. If it will say price adjustment. It's at the very bottom of the list of things, and if an item in your cart has changed, or that you had bought, the price had changed in those 30 days or so. Well, it's 30 days. You have to do it within 30 days. You just press that button, and they will give you a credit for the adjusted price. And the reason was this one here, I think the price had went down like 30 cents or something. So I press that button, and now I have a credit for 30 cents. But check all your orders, as long as they are 30 days or earlier, and check for an adjustment on your price. Okay, I thought I'd share that with you. I discovered that, actually my daughter discovered that, so I might do a little video just to let everybody know is what I'm thinking. I'll just do a separate video just talking about that. Okay, so the next item I got was, like I said, lots of fabric. And I loved this set, this pink set here. And what was the price? I'll give you the price first. It's a 6-piece, and it is $2.88. But there's a lot of texture on this first one here. Isn't that pretty? And then you get this one. And then you get this beautiful rose one with the blue roses on it. And then another polka dot, or I guess that's, there's 2 polka dots here. I hadn't showed you the other one yet. Anyways, I really like that, the black polka dots, right? I'll just hold that up a little bit more. And then you get, whoop, I had 2 in my hand there. Then you get this one again. It's got texture on it. And I liked this pink. It was, you know, not a bright pink, more pastel-y looking pink. And then this one here. And I'm thinking of using this and doing like a patchwork kind of journal cover with this, or I may end up, I don't know, I may end up making a purse or something out of it too. I'm not sure. I just thought the price was decent, and this was just really pretty. They'd also be very pretty in a fabric flip too. So I got those. And then the other fabric I got these here. And again, it was covers or bags. I want to make some bags. And so I thought this would make, these fabrics would make some lovely patchwork bags. Like a purse or a bag that you carry with you. You could even make, you know, your shopping bag, because there's quite a bit of this. This is 20 by 20. So this is not small fabric. The other one was only 9 by 9. And there's 20 by 20, and it is $10.19 for these. But, so I could certainly make a bag out of this and also use some in flips, or a journal cover if I so choose. So that's the one. And then there's this one. It's got the purple flowers. And I liked the browns tones and cream tones in this. And then there's this one. And then there's this beautiful one here with the pink roses. And these all coordinate so nice, right? And this one with stars. And then this one, the checkered. And then the polka dot one. But quite neutral colors, hey? And so that's what I liked about them. So I got that one, and I've got my thinking cap on about what I want to do. I think I do want to do a neutral journal, and this would be great to use some of this on the cover in some way. So I got that, and then I got one more fabric, and I couldn't resist it. It was sunflowers, but when I just thought I gotta make a sunflower journal, and this will be perfect for the cover. Again, this is what is this? Did I not put it down? Oh, there it is. This is a 6-piece sunflower, and it's 16 by 20, this one. So again, there's enough fabric here to do more than one project with it. So this is the first one. Oh, that's so pretty. Very vibrant, that color. You can think of the sun when you see that. I'm going to just put these back on top here, and we'll just flip through them. Then there's this one with the black background. I really like that one. That would make a beautiful cover, wouldn't it? And then there's this one with oranges and almost a pinkish, pale pink in it. I like that one. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That would make an awesome cover. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then this one, which just gonna check, yeah, pretty similar but bigger sunflowers and not quite as dark. And then there is this one. It's more subtle. I like that a lot. Oh, yeah. And then the one we already looked at the start. So those are those fabrics, and they were $10.61. I don't know if I said the price earlier or not. So I got some work ahead of me with fabrics. Okay, and then the two other things I got this set here. I had gotten a rotary tool, and with it came a lot of attachments, but there was no attachments for wood work, like wood carving and such. So I seen this little set, and it's a 10-piece wood carving set is what they call it. I just have to figure out how to open this, and it was $4.08. So you get all these different attachments here. So you, when you're working with wood, and I do work with wood now and again, you can do all kinds of different things with these here. Drill bits. So that's what I got it for. Again, Christmas is coming, and I might end up doing some kind of wooden related project for that. I'm not sure. But I seen it, and it was a very decent price, so I thought I would get it. And then the last thing I got in this order was some stamps, and these are called Nightingale Sings, the set. And it's similar to what I had bought before, and I really liked it because the stamps, it's sort of like a washi tape kind of situation, but it has the let's get it open here. It's all on a roll, and that's what I love about it. Oh, that I will, except for I do not always like this here, because they should use a different sticky. Oh, that's going to come. I'm going to leave that on there for now. Okay, so this one is all bird related, of course. Oh, except for there's a giraffe right there. Isn't that something? Oh, almost like they didn't put there. It's missing one there. Well, let's see if it's missing one. Let's see when I repeat. Here we go. Yeah, it is missing one. I will have to let them know. It should have this stamp right here. It's what it should have right here. Isn't that interesting? Huh. That seems really odd. But anyway, those are the stamps you get. All the different beautiful bird stamps. I thought they were really nice. And there is quite a roll here. And from here, this is the ones. And then they start to repeat after this here. Well, no. Sorry. I'm going to go back a little bit. This, you get these, and then it starts to repeat after that. And the price was for these stamps, postage bird stamps, was $2.58. And you get a ton of them. That's for sure. So that's my haul for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It'll help my channel to grow. And if you press the notification, you will know when I'm putting up a new video. So you all have a lovely, lovely day, and a crafty kind of day. And we'll see and talk to you soon. Bye for now.